Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco, your dream Bronco. Hey, if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic and providing Bronco entertainment for the Bronco community. I'm also doing a full restoration on my 1974 Ford Bronco. I bought this Bronco for $2,000. My goal is to keep track of every dollar spent and every hour spent to, in the end, sell it and turn a profit. So today it was, I was working on the brake lines and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a video, just a quick video about how the brake lines run if you're doing a restoration or if you're just replacing your brake lines and you don't have your original brake lines to go off of. Okay, so starting from the back of the Bronco, looking at the brake lines, we have our disc brake soft line or steel braided line, the small piece, and then the big piece that goes over the pumpkin of the Ford 9-inch that goes to this steel brake line. And then you also have the junction block or H block right there that goes in like this and then screws into the axle itself. And this is where both of these two lines go. And then this line goes up to the frame, which meets with this piece, which is the long piece in the kit that runs the length of the Bronco. And this piece connects to the proportion valve up front. So moving up, before we get to the proportion valve, you've got these two pieces. So you've got your steel Crown brake line. Crown is one of the best brake lines. I love that TOMS uses them. And that goes to the front disc brake and then connects to this piece over here. This is the driver's side, which then connects to the H block here via the breather hose and then connects to that piece on the passenger side and then back to the steel braided brake hose. So now that all connects together via the H block, and this H block then also runs up to the frame and connects to this piece, which connects to the proportioning valve and the brake line that ran from the back along the frame connects to this part of the proportioning valve. And then these two guys connect to the proportioning valve and go to the master cylinder. So that's kind of how it all looks on the axle. This is the front, so you got the junction H block right there. It's a little bit tight right here, so I'm gonna actually work that a little bit, try to get that a little bit, give me a little bit more room there, but with that bend, it's just hard to get the room. And then it comes down, if you still have your clips, and then it goes right here, which this should actually attached to a bracket that comes off the side of the axle right here. I don't have that bracket. I need to order it for both sides. This one would be right here. And then this will actually attach to the soft line that comes off of the disc brake caliper. And then up here you can see the proportioning valve coming down to the block on the frame here. And then this brake line is going to the rear brakes. So that's it. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. I was just looking at all the schematics online, trying to figure out how everything went, and I was like, I'm just gonna do a video about this once I put it together so that you guys can know how it goes together as well. Now, one thing I haven't done is I haven't tightened everything down because I know that I'm gonna need to put something else in or work on something that is gonna require me to loosen it back up. So right now everything is hand tight until I know, like probably until I drop the body on, then I'll tighten everything down. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you haven't yet, make sure to check out some of the other restoration videos. Leave any comments or questions down below. We'll see you next time.